Begin with the high wind warning that's been issued for much of the day, and we're already seeing the effects in some parts of our area.
A close call on Long Island where a huge tree nearly toppled onto a house in Rocky Point, missing the bedroom by mere inches. And in New Jersey, crews are trying to clear a tree that came crashing down into a utility pole in a parked car.
Let's begin with the forecast. CBS 2 meteorologist Vanessa Murdoch is live on Manhattan's west side with the mobile weather lab. Vanessa?
Hey guys, we just had a very interesting wind shift. Generally today, winds are going to be out of the west-northwest, but right now they're rolling in from the east. They've been stronger than they are at the moment, I'll tell you that, but we are with the mobile weather lab a little bit shielded from the winds because of where we're standing, and so we've seen it jump anywhere from, say, 5, where it is right now, to as high as 11 miles per hour. But of course, those are the sustained winds. Temperature at the moment, 56 degrees. So I want to bring you out to the roadway because I think the flag offers a better suggestion as to how the winds are blowing at the moment. Again, now we've gotten rid of that bizarre wind switch, and the winds are out of the west here. The trees are swaying in the breeze. It was much worse last night. I want to show you some of the maxed wild wind gusts we received. The first is from Stony Brook. Now, this number, 83 miles per hour, was from an elevation of nearly 400 feet, so that's a little bit skewed. But a report at the ground in Stony Brook measured 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts. LaGuardia topped out at 55 miles per hour. At the moment, these are our current gusts out there, 43 miles per hour in the city, at 30 in White Plains, 35 for the Hamptons, and they are lesser inland. We do have a high wind warning in effect until 6 o'clock. The National Weather Service projecting winds can gust as high as 60 miles per hour. Most of us, though, I think experience wind gusts between the 30s and 40-mile-per-hour range, with highs in the 50s today. Skies will remain as they are right now, and that is mostly cloudy, folks. We could have a stray shower passing on by. We're live out front here of the CBS studios with the mobile weather lab. Chris and Mary, back to you.
Vanessa Murdoch. Vanessa, thank you. And there's cleanup happening now from the nor'easter and the dangerous winds we're feeling.
One area where we're seeing damage is in Brooklyn. CBS 2's Jessica Moore live in the Midwood section where a huge tree came down there. Jessica?
Yeah, huge is right. Chris and Mary, the Parks Department just arrived to start chopping up and removing this tree. They tell me that this tree was actually marked for removal, but it looked like Mother Nature did the job for them. Powerful winds brought it crashing down early this morning, crushing 2 cars and completely blocking East 18th Street and Avenue K in Midwood. It shattered the back end of a Honda Civic, and then it smashed the Toyota Camry parked across the street. Back out here live, we want to show you the tree trunk. You can see that point where it snapped there. We spoke to the driver of the Honda, and to be honest with you, she was pretty cool about it. She said, look, at least no one was hurt, and at least I have insurance to cover the damage of the car. But again, just to reiterate, East 18th Street is completely blocked off right now at Avenue K. The Parks Department tells me this is a long and tedious task. They think they'll be out here until about 2 o'clock this afternoon, dismantling and removing the tree. We're live in Midwood, Brooklyn. Jessica Moore, CBS 2 News.